Yes.
Like parallel.
So there's buttons on the side of the wheel neck. There you go.
Well, make sure it doesn't obstruct your view of the dash.
I can see.
Okay.
All right. You can see built now. Then you want to adjust your mirrors. See that round dial there? So on the top of the circle on the left.
Yeah, there's a bird. He's right. Oh, he just flew away.
No.
Good.
He just flew away.
The one pooping on my truck. Okay. So you got the mirrors. You can seatbelt. You guys seat adjusted pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right. So to take off, don't do it, but I'm gonna tell you, and then you can do it. Put your foot on the brake. But you can do that. No. Okay. Everything is with your right foot. Your left foot in automatic, especially, does nothing. If you had a manual transmission, you would use your left foot for the clutch. But in automatic, you don't do anything with your left foot. So if you lose your left foot, you can still drive. Anyway, so you can use the gas with your right foot, and you use your brake. You just move it over and use brake. See where they're at? Feel where they're at, you know, so you get kind of, see, they're not very far away, are they? Okay. So you hold the brake, and then you pull the gear shift into you a little bit, towards you. But don't be afraid to just stop, okay? If you need to. Because I can't stop you.
There we go.
And so we'll just go down here to the end, and there, it looks like there's a driveway we can turn in and stop. We'll back out, come back this way. Not too
Real
fast.
light.
Okay, keep it low. There you go. You're doing good. All right, so now you're in the lane. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna turn around, and then we're gonna stop. After you turn around and get straight, we'll stop. And I want to tell you something else I forgot to tell you. Okay, so why don't you try to stop? Ooh,
Oh my God.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It's gonna take you a little time to get used to how to stop where you don't jerk everybody, right?
Gentle,
Okay, so now
on everything.
You're gonna let your brake, and you're gonna hit your left signal, and you look in that mirror, make sure nobody's coming up behind you. And we're gonna go into.
And which way is the signal? I don't know how to signal.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's your signal. You pull it down. See how it's left signal? Go up. Now go. Now push it up. There you go. See the right signal?
Uh-huh.
And there's your middle. And then you just put it in the middle. Let go. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So put your left signal on. Go slow. So just like this. That's good. Go a little farther. Another 20 feet.
Easy.
Okay, let's stop. Stop. Easy. Easy. Stop. 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 Hit the brakes. There you go. Okay. I don't know where that road goes. Do you?
I don't live here.
We can go for it.
It's a little close to the river for me.
Well, that's the only thing I was thinking too. So let's turn left and easy. Now, all you have to do is let your foot off the brake. Really, turn left, sharp, sharp, sharper. There you go.
Ooh, sharp,
Not
nice.
too sharp, but yeah. Okay. When you get your front wheels almost to the fence, here, go now. Straighten her out. Straighten her out. Straighten.
Right.
That's all right. Yeah. There you go. Go a little farther. Go a little farther. All right, that's good. Now let's stop. There you go.
I'll switch
Now,
to reverse.
yeah. Pull it to you and up. See, it's in reverse. Okay, just let off the brake, and now you got to turn. There you go. There you go. You can do that. Yeah. Now you can hit the gas a little bit. Easy, easy. There you go. Okay, now stop. There you go. Drive. All right. Pull over here to the edge. Stay on the asphalt. Come this way a little bit. Okay, straighten around now. Straighten around. Okay. All right. Let's, stop. Go ahead. Stop. Stop. Put it in park. Okay, you're stopped. Now, what I forgot to tell you is when you're pulling away from the curb, let's pretend this is the curb. You always want to look in that mirror and even look back yourself if you can. And then look in that mirror again and turn your left signal on to let everybody know you're coming out into traffic. That's why you do that, right? So people watch out for you. All right, so put your left signal on. Put your foot on the brake. Put it in drive. And now let's pull out. Okay. So you're in the drive lane, so you can turn your signal off. Don't go too fast. The speed limit's 25. Okay.
Just feather the gas, barely touching it.
There you go. That's good. How fast are you? Does it say? So here's your speedometer there. Yeah. All right. Let's see if we can pull over the curb past this driveway. Stop in the shade right here. Yeah. There you go. Oh, don't hit the curb. Go to your left a little bit. There you go. There you go. Pretty good. Pretty straight. All right. See if you can stop. Nice and easy. There you go. That's pretty good. We dare go down that. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Signal. Use those signals. They can't hurt you. Especially here, nobody sees it. Okay, when you get to the corner, you're gonna stop. Let's take over.
Left is less cars.
Go a little bit more, a little further. There's nobody behind us, is there?
No.
Think less is better?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, no matter what, okay, let's go left then. You got your signal going? You see any cars? Look right, look left.
Yeah, look.
All right, there you go. There you go. You're doing good. Now there's railroad tracks here, huh?
So am I driving this one?
Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. See these tracks?
They're
gonna be a
bumpy.
Big bump. Big bump. Ooh, ooh. Ah, all right. And there's more tracks up there, looks like. You're doing good. Okay, let's turn right. Yeah, we can turn around down here. Is that the main road?
I think
Looks
so.
like it.
Okay. We won't take you on the main road. We'll turn around over this driveway here.
Turn into the driveway?
No. So we're gonna go. See those yellow boxes? Let's go past that last yellow box, and we'll make a left, and we'll come back this way. What do you say? Without hitting
Into the
building.
parking lot.
Yeah, in the parking lot. Oh, I don't see a driveway. Wait a minute.
Looks like there's one there. Is there? Small one.
Oh, maybe at the end. See at the corner?
Okay, got a
Does it
truck
see the
coming in.
driveway?
Got a truck, red truck coming in.
All right. All right, slow down and stop and see what he's doing. Oh, he's taking our spot.
What is up with his wheel? Oh my
Oh,
god.
That's where you're
You got
going.
it, bro.
Should I turn into the driveway?
Yes. Turn your signal on and go real slow.
Hey, don't hit that guy.
Yeah, don't hit that man. And then you gotta turn real sharp so you won't hit the building.
Ah, poor guy, man. That's a nice truck.
Seriously, I think we're trying to help him. We can just turn it around.
Yeah, slow down. Okay, let's stop. Yes. Just stop. Let's ask him if he's okay.
Put him in park.
Insured tax attorney who evaluates
All the way up in
your
park.
income
You're
You're not in park.
expense to accurately determine eligibility.
Oh,
I was having my brother bring the car trailer up and put on the car trailer.
okay,
Go
good.
home and do it again. Maybe we'll put a good ball joint in this time.
Well, happy holidays.
Yeah. People buying stuff on the weekends and they don't have it in stock.
Oh, yes, yes. Yeah. So that's a tiny driveway. Let's go down to the next driveway before we get to that mailbox, and we can turn left out into the street. Okay? There we go.
Before the mailbox or after?
Right. There's a driveway. See right in front of this mailbox?
Yep.
Yeah. But take it slow. It's a bad driveway. Go real slow. Hit your brakes a little bit. Pull out there in the street.
Make sure you look first.
Yeah. You stop first. Stop.
Forgot to stop.
Okay, before you get out into the street, when you're from a driveway, make sure you stop completely before you get out in the street. You don't want nobody to hit you, right? Okay, straighten your up. There you go.
Doing good, Nate. Doing good.
Yeah, you are.
I'd like to point out I'm also doing very good.
All right.
Well, Grandpa, you're doing good too.
So just nice and easy. Let's turn with the road. Stay on this side of the road. Yeah, you're doing good. All right, good. Okay, slow down for the tracks though. So it, and bust our ball bearings. We'll do that.
That poor guy. He didn't look too upset about it.
They got rewires, says.
They do.
Behind it, and then stop. Come a little bit more, a little more. Okay, now stop. Come to a complete stop. Look all your different ways.
Right?
Let's turn right. Yeah, bring your right signal on. Okay, you looking good? There you go.
Oh my.
Good, good. Okay, now get away from this truck. You don't want to hit it.
I thought I was gonna hit him. I think I was just gonna.
There you go. Good.
Park it up here.
Well, you want to do what we did again up there at the driveway? Go to the driveway.
myself.
Turn around. Yeah. Let you do it. I'll try not to say much.
Just go slow, Nate. You're not in a hurry.
You're doing really good though.
So I do that.
Yeah. Yeah.
It smells outside.
Yeah. It's the. Well, see. I think that's the treatment plant, the wastewater treatment plant. Okay. Hold the brake. Yeah. Anybody behind you?
No.
Easy, easy.
That was my fault.
No. Well, it wasn't my fault.
Easy,
hit the
easy,
brake.
easy.
Oh,
Nate.
listen. Okay, you know what? You really don't have to hit the brakes. I mean the gas at all. Just let the truck go with the brake.
Try that again.
Okay, we'll try it again.
Making me nervous.
It's all right. All right, hit the brakes. And just let your foot easy off the brake, and it'll start going. There you go. Okay.
That's better.
That's good. Yeah. Now let's stop. Come to a full stop before you shift. You got to make sure you come to a full stop because you don't want to ruin the training. Okay. There you go. You're good. Make sure there's nobody. This will work. Okay. All right. Good job. You're doing a good job parking. All right. Is that enough for today, or I don't want to stress you out, but you're doing pretty good.
Should I drive for him?
I don't think so.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think you're ready for that.
Well, because if we get a ticket, we're all going to jail.
I'm telling him I got kidnapped. Good job, Nathan. Proud of you.
You could go another block, go in front of that van and park somewhere. You want to do that? Okay.
Sure you look.
Turn your signal on.
Always look.
Well, look at least, yeah. All right. Go in front of those vans.
You don't have to stop, Nate.
Yeah, here. Yeah, see, there's no stop sign this way, but it's okay to be cautious. That's good. Okay. All right. This must be some kind of school type facility. There you go. Okay. Put her in park. Put her in park. That's reverse. Oh, you gonna back up?
What are you doing?
He's gonna
Getting
try to
closer
straighten
to-
up.
Okay, you're making me nervous.
Okay. All right. I think that's good for lesson number 1.
Nate,
You did great.
good job, dude.
Hey, if you can drive in Idaho, you can drive anywhere.